Oh no! No! Ah!
From? Whoa! Seriously? Do people know how to turn corners?
Me!
Jesus! Should go back in the next day.
That van!
Really?
Yeah. Like, it wasn't even close, it was just solid red. What a dickhead. Anyone care to let me know what is wrong with that parking in the comments? There is so much wrong with it. Wow. But it did have the hazard lights on. Questionable. What is this van doing? What is he doing, Alexi?
Letting people cross
No,
the green
he's like
light.
he's gone slow the whole way down that road and then stopped at the green light. Freak, man.
Currently going to B&M.
Alexi, what's this car doing? Come on.
I don't know what the car's doing.
I'm not going to get through there, am I? Don't be silly. Don't be silly.
Yeah, so off to B&M.
It's a bus stop. Say bus stop, Maisie Mel. Bus stop.
Huh?
Yeah, bus stop. Close enough. Maisie May, once again, say that's a bus stop. That's a bus stop. Oh, there's 3 of them today. Bus, yeah. The fuck, man? Ooh, mama. Ooh. I think a little bit of poo might have come out just then. Fuck. Pick a lane, asshole. Come on, for fuck's sake.
I suppose that's one way to...
No, that's the only way you should do it, Alexi. That's not queue jumping. That's not being naughty. That's how it should be done. That entire queue of traffic would rather wait there than do it properly.
What was that?
That was her slapping my back in my chair.
Why did you want to go down to see my mum?
Something. What amazing parking, man. A bunch of incompetence. This is fucking ridiculous, that is. So I'm pretty sure that's illegal parking on the corner.
You have to Google it every night.
It's just one of them things. I was trying to explain to someone the other day. It's not something I would do because it's just a stupid thing to do. But is it actually illegal is my question. Google it quickly. So what does it say exactly? Do not park on a bend.
It says, do not stop or park, and then bullet point, on a bend.
So there you go. They should include a section for cyclists, shouldn't they? Oh, she got a big bum though.
Hey!
What? They should include... they include a thing. Do not cycle when cars are on the road. I want to stay behind her.
No, you don't want to stay behind her. Drive ahead.
Take that ass.
Yeah, because I'm pretty sure Craig's coming up Thursday, so it'd probably be a nice one to see you.
Just chuckle with me, Alexi. Just chuckle with me. Chuckle.
Ha 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 ha.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Sorry.
What a clown. Call me a dickhead.
Just shut up, I'm on the phone. Yeah. What was I saying?
Hey, Maisie Moo, tell them, say hazard lights does not make parking like a knobhead acceptable.
Yeah.
It doesn't, does it? It's not acceptable. Tell them, Maisie Moo. Maisie Moo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What place? Park lights.
That is ridiculous, isn't it?
How would you get out?
Well, you wouldn't. I'm tempted to park in that space just to wind everyone else up.
Well, technically, that's a parking space,
I know
that
it
ain't.
is. I know it is, but I can't be that vicious. I'm not feeling.
Oh, I
so-
bloody would.
Yeah. No beds.
What's that say something about smackheads?
Goes faster than a smackhead's gyro. That was pretty good, isn't it? It don't go as fast as a smackhead's gyro. It's probably quite slow. Should we race it? Well, I don't know. Why was it just stopped in the middle? That lollipop man won't cross him, was it? Why was he stopped in the middle, Maisie Mill? That's a weird thing to do, wasn't it? The lollipop man wasn't going across, so I don't know. Whatever, innit? Yeah.
You didn't want to wait, did he?
Cunt. Really, Adam? Y'all know what that car reminds me of. Christine. It does, doesn't it? Now that evil car that has a mind of his own. Yeah, that one. That scared me as a child, that did. Here you go. I'll undo my windows and I'll treat you guys to the sound it makes when it pulls away. Listen to this. Oh, not bad. That's not bad, is it? That's not bad. I want one. I want one of those. That seems like so much fun.
Yeah, got it with Kerfoot.
Are you gonna go or just block the road up? Make your mind up. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Dada!
Yeah, that was Kerfoot.
Dada!
Yeah, same day appointment. Oh, what is this car doing?
I don't know, Alexei. Drive your car, I'll overtake you. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, man. You better speed up, you better speed up. You're not going to speed up, are you? No, you're going to slow down, that's fine. That's fine. You prick. Naughty, naughty.
Is that parked?
I have no idea.
Is that even a parking space?
I don't know. No idea. That is
Oh, it
parked.
is.
That is parked.
It didn't look it though, did it?
There are some special ones out today, Alexi. There's
Is there?
some special little... Do a slow run, Alexi.
Nina.
No, 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 no.
I think it goes faster, don't they? At one point.
Whoop, whoop.
That's it. He's gonna do it, isn't he?
No, he's not. No, he's...
Daddy's gone mental. He's gone cuckoo.
Alexi, sex special.
Special.
Thank you.
Well, he's no longer special anymore now, is he?
No, he was special. He's an
Was?
ex-special. Alexi, sex special.
Special.
He's no longer special anymore.
He's no longer special.
He's an ex-special. Deja vu. He was special. He's not anymore now.
Quack. Quack. Quack, quack. Really?
Uh-oh! Naughty, naughty. That's why you got a dent in the side of your car. Oh my God, children, be quiet.
Shut up!
Shut up. Both of you shut up or I'll leave you here. He just sat there on his phone to pray.